guy. Catch my breath a little. My name is Chika Chukwumerije, Beijing 2008 Olympic bronze medalist. And I will tell you this, when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you hit good, you kick good. And I want you to call this number on the screen now and order this hat I'm wearing. It's made by J Vibe right here.
Yeah, the vibe by J Vibe.
Look, she learned how to make hats, and really, when I wore this hat for the first time 2 days ago, I felt like flying. And I said, I'm going to share this with you. Call this number now, order your hat right here in Abuja, and she will deliver it to you. Do me this favor. We love you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.